holiday be and a constitutional day. Let me say a constitutional. And then I'm penny for what I say. In fear can be brave. It's me, Bibia. I would have passion. It's a nay and a ye, Jedin studio. Now I see it to me, my baby. Near call in the world of entertainment, meeting the Sandra or Heme, a Jume, Nami Adom. Entertainment, I mean, a Ghana for Chemois.
When you start sending, where do you die? Oh, your guy. Sister Sandy be a guy.
And I'm the guy scoring Ghana's entertainment prophet back up. I say, me patch out real quick. Answer never consem so no, and no be dinner would that would do. I would have Fafanambe so, mammy. Fafanambe so, if a mammy. And I said, there be dinner with the beer and what's me the first anambe so. Na ya panel. Yamo bibia I would have patch shonko cry. It's number no at our screen no I say me patch out fafa or near all dinner would that your graduate. Whatever the celebration, we want to share the joy with you. It's a batch of Fafa number so. Emame 024 828. Okay, batch at the screen as in Fafa hono mame. Real quick na yanko yenim sa. Ye kon semne so. Menga broken heart. Menga broken heart papa because and some see aside my 90s jam, Niesia, menya broken heart no. Shatawale, any bulldog. And so some me broken heart. A penny for no permit chamo. And in penny for yeah, best 2024 imwa. Now you say this year dear entertainment industry no. You be international na beef. And in penny for the agenda you dear see and so same penny way. Afi Ghana entertainment industry. Jade beko baby no. Ye you baby akọ baby ade da so ginam. Because hem penifo. Kofo papa. Make sure so bi kra wonana. Kofo wofa, kofo bra penifo. Ade achen. Monye se 2024 ya so medwe ye wokroma se. Obi ye kukaton, ye ni abre support no. Ade achi bia penifo mo bibi kan. Opagi wale. Mesro Makebia ye, mummy in Chaswati. We am penny for nya afi mama na ye no go gree year. Mama na ye this year is a beef year. It's election year too. Penny for ankwala tamachi more fans bebre. And then mabuni will be answer pan. And then mabuni a bit na city bulldog. Nam penny for me in the entertainment industry. Yeah, her see about Philly O2. Yeah, her see about performing or queen. They're like, yo, this is not it. Please put a stop to it. It's a holiday. Mama nina ho pa. Because I get out of hands. Obi ni Miss yes, ya fi mu na me ka kire mo say. Sa obi ni obi ada. Many way na ye pese bet ni this year. Be me zan kra no an sha da room ho na edum ho na mayi mani ho. Ghana entertainment industry. The so-called gatekeepers. Your best friend must say, call them to order. Na yana me Jones in Pennyfonia agro imwa. Baby some bets me akebiana. Na matnas na the way the camera seen so no to fire. Or make a hurricane Sandy dear cheap power. Hey! There be. In some namoka video nim kran wedding in semebo. A who here see a best subim. Dear who here and say, Makebia ye. Chaso. DJ Bomenyom. Because I mean, gone were the days your cast will be a celeb, says celebrity. Na the animo nyam nya ho bi nenam. But the more yamas and that cry and kwalai obitimi gina social media was so to a celebrity. Obitimi di atemia so a celebrity. More yama din celebrity na ya yefo. E wo ko mama daroma. Mano da dua so na make say mesremo. Omi ntwa so. Sabita frache monynyini. Mamonyemu niema sebi. Some mofra, Madam I say. DJ Bomenyomba ko. Bomenyomba menya broken heart and papa. Hey! Tebe ye. Me and Charles Wate. There are a lot of things for us to promote.
Hey baby.
Chamenyom.
Hey baby.
Yeah, preservatives via any Django energy drink. Sad drink we say, and as a sports man and a sportswoman, I may come from our athletes and Kwana so power shonko. And if I like Kukaton. This was Bobiano Peria and Mre, a Django no for a energy drink. Papa make come for Ediama Piwak for so the 3p garlic mixture no aba 3p edro baako sa yarewa bebre yarewa a 3p garlic mixture sa na se wani ense okache p wak natural herbal for na ede aba ye to aso a ye mo hwin kwatamale aba ya ne enim so obewie kwasiada basa na me got a jango energy drink na ebo adwuma aba ya ne chiremu a ode be say cha 10 days etiada no me hwem no 174 hours se bia beka ho dia okay 175 na say an hour aba beka ho 25 la no pa de otim se koko ne masa de esu mew e watamale ono mame you are such an inspiration to women. Trust me, baby girl, you are such an inspiration to women because I feel say ya ho adin ntimi nye bibi ya na ema no kwa adwen say ya ho adin ni sha ba wetimi approve ya kye say ema ya ho adin ntimi konkan nyame sha ne da wase finish hard yeta wachidie mu edin abena pokua ko ho okodidi abena pokua okoye adwuma ba bia adwane apai de okoye adwuma kro so watafre wonsa etimi nua pokua ahwene ekopie mu Samuel Jan Stephen Apia Lordina Mahama, a lot of people, chief of staff, call her Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, as also going to hear NDC MPP in Nano, Etimia Coho. Hallelujah, campaign. Yada Mugin, I must say, and here atmosphere, and send ye tia bra, ma Lordina, Ekopia Motamale Honum.
Even when she's down, she will be revived because people are really
support Chef Faila. What does this mean to you?
In Ghana,
she is supposed to break a record of more than 144 hours that another strong woman in Uganda has clocked. Do you see her going that long and winning?
I think she looks strong, determined, and I know that she will do it. We all need to pray for her, but also what the show of support that I'm seeing from the community is something that will encourage her. Even when she's down, she will be revived because people are really urging her on. I am quite excited for what I've seen here today. The drummers, the praise singers, and all of people who are here. I feel that somebody like her who has decided to do such a feat in the full glare of society.
Sani amamrani amani ensu twegu otamale honom efeye pa women supporting women na oba besia baako ya wono nsu kopie mu ho ya maame Frema chief of staff honorable wono nsu kopie mu awotamale honom obasa wo hweme bwa eni twegu ame se abaya no ohuma me mpanifo ana efe se nani na ebi watamale ho no wan anwenda se obehu president wan anwenda se obehu chief of staff it is a jumadi ebi say no etimi ade empanifo akukudam say abonchechenku watamale ho ya ni je ni su we ye tears of joy ani je ni su enti no monkoso wan support no panji oh my idea mama Frema so the tissue koye se be ya ba ya ni so obepepa preko to kutabia wo pepa emmanuel ampadu ye be TV ton no trust me ani je wom ye be TV ton because we know ye pepa ni suo nyina na emu ahye ne boto we line no ye pepa nyina na emu we donation like good Dr. Baumia so ekopie mo vice president of the Republic of Ghana wono so su kopie wono aboni wate hye Degeta man jai wa mu nyina support abaya etina ayefe sempanifo ne akukudam we mu nyina no eta faila echi the whole Ghana eta wachi mame finish so hard record no me de benya kwa no 1 month say be obia meye kukaton we wiase mu ha bi abro mu ne kukaton nko ani kukaton champion Samaka, you were slave queen and you were chef, and you are the chef. We are so proud of you. So proud. Yeah, so proud of you, baby girl. All the very best and finish so hard. Yeah, twice on. Yeah, twice one. No, acquire holiday. We'll birthday see holiday. Adiaka jams. Maybe I'm the 90s. What I say? It's mame or money young quay any monk for 80 or no more awada. Hey, big shouts to Daily View GH. Big shouts to Daily View GH. Big shouts to you. When call for so Adom or more boy Jumanelli. Big up yourself. You know, real quick. Nam a Friday chairman, you could pay mu. Ewo Galleria, honum, more chain honum. Na 90s jam, you made ye be Joy FM for a year. Never somebody to hold by 3 years. Nana me names as Ghana for my fish show, Nessa. Hey, Nipa, VIP for net to yeah, regular for near them. Big shouts to DJ Black, DJ Nia Itego, and DJ Andy Dusty. I want and yo. Big shouts to all the DJs on bill. Yan ran Nigeria yesterday. Hey, yeah, the program is a young fan show. Yet me a copy of Adom. Wahima Jai, yes, we are the Jinemu face 90s jam. It is saying a course so our 90s jam Friday chemu. The way they come home, we're going to show no. Show nan kasano. Medebebro. Nat, big up yourself. Wabwe Juma. A branch cameraman am nene koi na tibongo. Ijina naswa to 4:30 a.m. Yes, you are. Yebe bad and yebe boy no ankasa we dey say for ye dey prapra kwema mo hu senia. Show no etie. Na me da me producer am poma big girls. I say on the phone so enya edi twa ne masa. Ye da mase. Ye to aso a birthday. Enei hem say holiday no mo ndi birthday because I go say na Abubakar. Ono kwa na edi na woda. Oh, big shout sister Penny. Oh, big sister. Sister Amy, happy belated birthday to you from all of us. Adom TV has say, okay, Busiano ho, okay ho. You are so beautiful. Black is beautiful. Sister Emilia, happy birthday to Kumawood actress, Ghanaian actress Emilia Brobe. Yamin Shao. Oman kwa tentia ho odi wo. Afisa say no. Not just say baby I wanna na we trust in the beast of no nation be nice part 2 na nemu. Happy birthday Nkoma. Belated birthday to Emilia Brobe. Eti me pa na wo channel so say wo so di wa woda. Ye betimi I will show e wa ha say. Aheya ne no wadi because ye pese no share sa joy no of birthday mode, you know. Abubakar is Zinabu. Jay is Zinabu. Oh, happy birthday, pretty. But when the birthday na way. Back where couples. And I'm doing the birthday. Wow. Happy birthday to Onia Wodina Woda. To who can need in the birthday by baby magician ya na FFF. Hey! Or what the choky ay. What the choky ay. Baye. Yabasamo. I wear birthday you. And found home magia already Jim Jenny Cray. All the happy birthday Abubakar is in Abu. Yamin Shawman Quatente. Allah and you are come as swadding na and fama. Media Jumani Bessie. Jacka will shade also. Ninging the barber some more. Oh, Adom TV. So, me need the sister son to be a guy. I'm the guy's queen. Big shouts to Welbeck with Fiam Pedime director. Dacha Hene. So, to me, J. Phone Sunia May. I can boom my immediately when they disappointed us. Chris, big shout outs to yourself. Frank, our sound department. MCR, Makeup, Eugenia Baden. I'm Poma Big Girls, my producer. And I Thomas, Madam Catherine Soteche. I'm the guy's queen, Miss Goldie's Boutique. I'm Mami Atade. My catcher was a mammy, so for Mammy Susie. Near ma, this year, when I'm more corny, pa, we leather, I see a leather. Miss Goldie's Boutique, Santa Maria Blue Kiosk. All right, on my social Miss Goldie's, then I tired Papa She. Wish you move kuma, Nyabotre, Afiasu, no bagawaya, for boom, na mame. Boza, Macau.